Favreau, are you joining in? Everybody else seems to be.
Mm-hmm. What?
He's trying to crash the house. America. Why did you get back up here? Nowhere else? Why the last choice? Chocolate. Good chicken. Good.
Yes, ma'am. Oh.
No, that towel did not work. She's all sorts of irritated.
Okay. Hold on, I gotta put my foot right here. So that hopefully she does not step
Chocolate,
in.
you got the highest roost.
Yes.
You're a good chicken.
Yes.
You need to go to sleep. This is when they're getting crazy. That's me. I'll record for you for a minute. This is what she's dealing with. I imagine you've probably seen this.
She's tapping the screen with her nose. Oh goodness! What the hell?
Yep. I actually got one on tape. I never get anything crazy on tape, but
Are
I
you
got that
okay?
one.
She just landed right on you. America.
Chicken. It's okay, chicken. It's
I'm
okay.
sorry. Are you okay?
It's okay. It's okay, chicken.
There she goes. Oh, okay. She's
Who's doing what?
Favreau's scouting you out.
Chicken. Are you coming up here too, you nutbag?
Okay.
Chicken.
Oh,
Crashing the house.
Okay, I'm gonna give you your little hand because you poor thing, you're so fat. Every time you do it, you crash the house.
She is fat. She is a large chicken. This one's somewhat happy now.
And you're pecking me.
Good chicken.
America. Yes,
Good
ma'am.
chicken.
Hi, Sting. I'm standing here because you pooped right here and I don't want you walking in it before I get it cleaned.
It's hard to clean when you got two chickens on you.
Yeah. I didn't even see the first one. I was recording, focusing on you.
It happens. Well, time to put these little shitters to bed. I might be back in a minute. Who knows? See y'all later.